Hello guys, welcome back to another class. So today we are gonna do exercise 4.3, question number 2. In exercise 4.2, question number 3. Exercise 4.3, question number 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. So here we are going to solve question number 1 by applying quadratic formulas. So I will do number 2 and 4. Since question number 1 I did 1 and 3, in question number 2 I'll do 2 and 4. So the question 2 is 2x squared plus x minus 4 equals to 0. So here first we have to write a, b and c. Here a is 2, b is 1. The value of the coefficient of this is 1 and c is minus 4. Now let's find out the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. B squared is 1, 1 squared will give us 1, 4 into 2 into minus 4. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 4 is 32. C, minus 32 we get, minus into minus is plus, so 32 plus 1 is 33, which is greater than 0, and that's why we will get two distinct. If the discriminant is greater than 0, we will get two distinct roots. So let's find out the roots. In order to find the roots, we have to apply this formula: minus b plus minus square root of d by twice a. Minus b plus d is 33 by 2a, and the other one is minus b plus one is plus, one is minus, so here is plus, the other one will be minus 33 by 2a. What is minus b here? Minus b is 1, minus 1 plus 33 by 2 into a. 2 into 2 is, a is 2, so 2 into 2 will be 4. And the other root is minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are the roots. So see, 33, if you check it, you get 11 into 3. So these two are the roots. So let's check whether my answer is correct or not. So we found out the roots. Minus 1 plus root 33, square root of 33 by 4. The other one is minus 1 minus square root of 33 by 4. Let's do the next number, Roman number 4. Okay, Roman number 4. 2x squared plus x plus 4 equals 0. So here a is 2, b is 1, c is 4. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. b squared 1, 4a is 2, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 4 is 32 minus 31. It's less than 0. If it is less than 0, then it has no roots, so no need to find the roots because we got the discriminant that is less than 0. That means we will get no roots if it is less than 0. So no need to find the roots because we will not get any. So what you can write here: roots does not exist. Now let's do question number 3. Find the roots of the following equations. X minus 1 by x equals to 3, where x is not equal to 0. If you look here, there is a fraction. 1 by x is a fraction. So in order to remove the fraction, you can either do LCM or you can either divide it by x, because the denominator is x. So in order to remove that, you have to divide it. So let's divide dividing both sides, left hand side and dividing both sides by x. So x into x will give us x squared. So here will be x by x will give us 1. 3 into x is 3x. This is what we get. So if we rearrange this pattern, let's bring this one to the left hand side. Plus will become minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So we have to find the roots. Let's apply quadratic formula to find these roots. A is 1, B is minus 3, C is minus 1. A is 1, B is minus 3, C is minus 1. Okay, now let's find out the discriminant. D, capital letter D is B squared minus 4AC. B squared is minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. When there's a power in like a number which is negative and there's a power even, then the answer will always be positive. If the power is even, the answer will be positive. If the power is odd, the answer will be negative. So minus 3 into minus 3 will give us 9. 4 minus 4 into A, 4 into 1 into, so 4 into 1 into minus 1 will give us plus minus 4. So minus 4 into minus is plus 4. So that's why we are writing here plus. Then discriminant is 13, which is greater than 0. So we will get two distinct roots. So let's apply the formula. X equals to minus b plus by 2a, and the other root will be minus b plus minus 2a. These are the roots. These two will be the roots. Let's put the values here. Minus b. B is minus 3. So minus into minus will become plus, and it will become 3 plus. Discriminant is 13 by 2 into a. 2 into 1 is 2. And the other root is how much? Minus into minus 3 is 3 minus 13 by 2. So these two are the roots for question number 3-1. Now let's do the next question, number 2. Number 2, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals 11 by 30, where x is not equal to minus 4 and x is also not equal to 7. So what we can do here is we can do LCM, or we can divide it both by x plus 4 and x minus 7. So dividing both sides by x plus 4 into x minus 7, so that we can remove this denominator that has a variable. We don't want a variable with fractions. We have to remove it to get a quadratic equation. So that's why we're dividing both sides by this into this. This 2 is this 2. So if we divide this 2, the denominators will get cancelled. So if we divide x plus 4 x minus 7 by x plus 4, we are multiplying, sorry, sorry, I made a mistake. It is multiplying, not dividing, multiplying. So here in the previous question also it should be multiplying. It is not dividing. Sorry for the confusion. So here also x plus 4 x minus 7 by x minus 7 equals to both sides. So 11 by 13 to x plus 4 x minus 7. X plus 4 x plus 4 x minus 7 x minus 7 cancel. So what do we have here? X minus 7 minus x, minus into plus is minus 4 equals, see, 11 by 30. Let's x into x is x squared minus x into minus 7 is minus 7x plus 4 into x is 4x plus and minus is minus 4 into 7 is 28. Okay, now here x will get cancelled. So minus into minus is plus. 7 plus 4 is minus 11. Minus 11 equals 30 by 11 x square. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 7. 7 minus 4 will give us 3x. Minus sign is greater, so the answer will come minus 28. Now cross multiplication, 13 to 11 will give us minus 330. Okay, let's write this first because here it has constant. Sorry, variable. It is variable. 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 equals 13 to 11 is minus 330. Now 11 into x square is 11x square minus 33x. 28 into 11, let's see how much we get. 302 I guess, or something like that. 11 308, sorry. 1 into 2 is 2, 1, 8, 0, 0. Yes, 308. 308. Let's shift this to the left hand side. Plus 330 equals 0. Now 11x square minus 33x minus into plus is minus. 308 minus 330 will give us 22. See, 11, 33, 22 is divisible by 11. So let's take 11 common. X square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. 11, if we shift here, it will become 0. So we are left with x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Now, you can find the roots by any method. Either by applying quadratic formula, or by completing the square method, or by midterm factorization. Here I want to do by midterm factorization. So what we do here is x plus 2 equals 0. See, 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can write there 2 plus 1. See, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. So we get here x square minus 2x minus into plus is minus. X plus 2 equals 0. Now if we take common x common, then we get here x minus 2, x common, 1 common, 1 into x minus 2, 0. Now x minus 2, if we take common, x minus 2 into x 1. So x equals to 2, x equals to 1. Therefore the roots are 2 and 1. That's how we find out the roots. Let me do one more sum. Let's do question number 4. Okay, let's read the question here. It says here, the sum of the reciprocal of Raymond's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. We have to find his present age. So let's do one thing. Let Raymond's present age be x. We have to find x. Present x is x. So there are two conditions given here. One is 3 years ago and the other one is 5 years from now. That means after 5 years. So 3 years ago, what would be Raymond's age? Raymond's age will be x minus 3. If his present age was x, 3 years ago his age was x minus 3. He was younger, 3 years younger. 5 years after, 5 years after, Raymond will be 5 years older than his present age now. So x plus 5. This is Raymond's age 3 years ago. This is Raymond's age 5 years from now. So what does the question? The sum of the reciprocal of Raymond's ages. The sum of these two the sum of the reciprocal of these two h's is how much? 1 by 3. So according to question, the sum of the reciprocal of this will be 1 by x minus 3 plus the reciprocal of this will be 1 by x plus 5. The sum of these two h's is 1 by 3. We have to find what? X. We have to find x, Riemann's present age. So how do you want to do it? Let's do it by LCM method. X minus 3, x plus 5. X minus 3 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x plus 5 will give us this. So this is left. So here we'll write x plus 5 plus x plus 5 is here, x minus 3. Now cross multiplication, we get x minus 3 into x plus 5 equals, see, 3 into x plus x is 2x plus 5 minus 3 is 2. X minus 3, x plus 5, x minus 3, x plus 5, 3 into 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. Okay, let's multiply this. X into x is x squared, x into 5 is plus 5x, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5 is minus 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 2 is 6x, 3 into 2 is 6. Let's shift this to the left hand side. X squared plus 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 6x. This gives us this. This one I shifted here, so plus it will become minus. So minus 15 minus 6 equals 0. Minus 6 plus, so it will become minus. So what we get? X squared minus 4x, 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus and minus plus, so minus 15 plus 6 is 21 equals 0. So now 3 into 7. I'll do it by midterm factorization method. That is much easier. X squared minus 21 equals 0. See, here the constant, the sign of constant is minus. So in the midterm factorization, it should come minus. So 21 we get 3 into 7 is 21. 7 minus 3 gives us 4. So 7 minus 3. 7 into 3 is 21. At the same time, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. X squared minus 7x minus into minus plus 3x minus 21 equals 0. Here from this we can take x common, x minus 7. From this 2 we can take 3 common, x minus 7 equals 0. So we have here x minus 7, x plus 3. So how do we get this one? Let me explain. From this 2 we take x minus 7, x minus 7 common. If we take this common, see, x minus 7 into how much will give us this? X minus 7 into x will give us this. X minus 7 into how much will give us this? X minus 7 into 3 will give us this whole. That's how we get like this. So what is the value of x? X will be either 4 or x equals to minus 3. Therefore, but Riemann's age cannot be minus. So this we have to omit out. So therefore the PRESE and the present age of Riemann is 4 years. So that means the present age of Riemann was 4 years. That's it for today. I'll continue the next question in the next class. Okay, thank you. Sorry, see, this one, x equals to, I wrote 4, x equals to 7. So the present age of Riemann is 7 years, not 4 years. Okay, see, okay, that's it. Thank you.